Good morning, children. In today's session, I am going to give you the book back answer in science for 7th standard. So we have started in the previous class itself. We have started first with the objectives and first 6 questions we have completed. Now we'll continue with the 7th question, children, okay? Now, 7th question. What are the parts of shadow? Okay, or take down this in your classwork. Whatever I'm writing on the board, take down in your classwork, children, okay? Umbra and penumbra. Then, 8th question. What are the properties of shadow? Take page number 10, children. Page number 10. Okay, 8th question. So, take page number 10. See on the right side, down. Okay, right side down, see, children. You have a side heading, properties of shadow. Did you get it, children? Yes, properties of shadow. What is the first word? All. All open the bracket, okay? From that first point, second point, then go to page number 11. So, page number 10 and 11. Okay. Third point, fourth, fifth and sixth point. What is the last word there? Screen, close the bracket. Okay. So, all open the bracket and screen, close the bracket. So, totally how many points are there, children? 6 points. Okay. Starting from all, you have to write the side heading also. Okay. Properties of shadow, write the side heading and write all the 6 points there. Okay. Then, next question is, what is plane mirror? Page number 13. Okay. Take page number 13, children. So in that, see, you have only one paragraph there. Okay. Page number 13, you have only one para. In that, see the third line. A, open the bracket. A plane mirror is a mirror with a flat reflective surface. A plane mirror makes an image of objects in front of it. Close the bracket. This is your 9th answer. Third line, A, open the bracket, and of it, close the bracket. This is your 9th answer. Then 10th question, what is prism? Page number 16. Page number 16. In page number 16, see on the right side, children. Right side, you have what is prism. Okay, that para you have to take. A, open the bracket. And last, degrees, close the bracket. That's your 10th answer. So the answer is, a prism is an object made up of a transparent material like glass or plastic that has at least 2 flat surfaces that from an acute angles that is less than 90 degrees, close the bracket. That is your 10th answer. Okay. Then, 11th, what do you mean by visible light? Okay, visible light. Page number 16. Same page number 16. You see on the left side, first para. Okay, children. In that, see the third line, visible. Did you get it, children? Yes, visible. Open the bracket. Visible light is a spectrum of a number of waves with different wavelength, range from 400 nanometer, okay, to 700 nanometer. Each wave has a definite wavelength, represents a particular color. Close the bracket. Okay. So third line you have to take visible, open the bracket, and say the last line in that color. Close the bracket. Okay. That's your 11th answer. Then 12th. So they have given a tabular column there. Write the items given here in a correct column. Stars, brick walls, plants, mirror, planets, electric light bulb and candle. So, the box is given there, children, okay? Just you have to write. Source of light. So, already this is the book, children. Just you have to write the options there. That reflect light, okay? So, stars, sources of light, okay? Stars, electric light, bulb, candle. Okay. And then objects that reflect light is brick walls. Then plants, mirror and planets. Okay, children. You have to write like this. So already this box is in the book. It's at the tabular column. You have to write that. Okay. And then 13th, no need, children, strike it out. Okay, 13th, just put a cross, no need that question. Then 14th. Draw a diagram of a pinhole camera showing the rays of light passing between the object and its image. You can take page number 4, this diagram. Okay, on the right side you have a picture. Okay, this picture you have to draw. You got it, children? This picture you have to draw for that question. So it's in the page number 4. Then 15. Why is the writing on the front of an ambulance back to front as shown in the picture? So I'll write that on the board, children. Just take down in your book. No need, children. 15th, strike it out, no need. Put a cross. And then 16th also. Then 17th. No need these questions, okay? 18th also. Put a cross, no need. So 15, 16, 17, 18. Just put a cross, no need those questions. Now we'll go to the 19th question. What is reflection of light? Okay? What is reflection of light? The answer is the bouncing back of light. The bouncing back of light from a reflecting surface, from a reflecting surface of an object, is called as reflection of light. Okay, children, so what is the answer? The bouncing back of light from a reflecting surface of an object is called as reflection of light. Then 20th, no need, children, just put a cross, no need that question. Then 21st, what do you mean by lateral inversion? So take down that answer also. The phenomenon due to which the left side of an object appears to be right side, and vice versa, is called lateral inversion. Okay, children, so what is the answer? The phenomenon due to which the left side of an object appears to be right side and vice versa is called lateral inversion. Now, next is 22nd. How do you obtain a spectrum of light? Shall I rub this, children? Take down in your notebook clearly. So 22nd answer. When white light is made to fall on the surface of the prism, it disperses and we obtain a spectrum of light. Okay, children, what is this answer? When white light is made to fall on the surface of the prism, it disperses and we obtain a spectrum of light. Then 23rd. It is in page number 17. So I'll take page number 17, children. Yes. Page number 17, see on the left side, down, last para. In that, from down, kீழ இருந்து பாருங்க, third line. கீழ இருந்து third line க்கு வாங்க, when. Okay? I will find out the answer, children. When, yes. When, open the bracket. When the disc turned quickly, the retina receives the sensation of the spectrum simultaneously and disc appears white. Right side la parunga kira white therida. Close the bracket. Okay, so you will start from here when and you will complete it here white. Okay, close the bracket. That is your 23rd answer. Then 24th. What is a shadow? What things are necessary for the formation of shadow? This I'll write down on the board. Just take down, children. Okay. 24. Shadows are formed because light travels in a straight line. Shadows are always against opposite side of light, same shadow is formed by opaque objects that stop light from propagation. Okay, children. So this is your 24th answer written on the board. Then you will go to the detailed answer. Okay. Have you taken down this, children? Take down all the answers. You have to write neatly to children, only then you can understand what you are learning. First one, you strike it off. Roman number 6. Detailed question. First question, no need, children. Put across, no need. Okay. Second, Write the difference between luminous and non-luminous object. Give 2 examples of each. Luminous objects, non-luminous object. So the answer is, first point, all objects which emit light energy, by themselves are called luminous objects. Then all objects which do not emit light, which do not emit light on their own, but reflect the light energy, falling on them, and hence become visible, are called non-luminous object. Okay, children, now we'll give the examples now. Example: sun, stars, torchlight. Okay. Then for this example, metal, trees, houses, stones. Okay. This is a luminous and non-luminous object detail. The next is number 3. Detail 3. Write about 2 everyday situations that tell you that light travels in a straight line. This also you have write on the board, children. Just take down. Shadows are formed. Shadows are formed when same light travels. Same light. Light rays continue its travel in straight lines while other rays are stopped by an object, are stopped by an object. The next point, when there is a small hole in a room, when there is a small hole in a room, and there is a small hole in a room, light travels only in a straight line, only in a straight line. Okay children, this is a detail 3. Okay, now next detail 4, no need children. Okay, detail 4, strike it out, no need. Detail 5, what are the characteristics of an image formed in a plane mirror? It is in page number 14. Take page number 14. Yes, you see here down, left side down, that orange box, you can see that fully. You have to write the side heading and you will complete it with inverted. This is all the points you have to write children. Okay, then 6, strike it out, put it cross, no need. Then 7, define the following terms, page number 6. In that see on the right side below that picture you have. Okay, I'll say just mark it. First, incident ray, you have to write a side heading and write the ray of the, open the bracket, the ray of light that falls on the surface of the reflection materials, close the bracket. The next, what is the side heading? Reflected ray. You have to write the side heading reflected ray and open the bracket the ray of light that comes from the point when the incident ray falls on the reflection material, close the bracket. Okay, then point of incidence, no need, they have not asked that side heading. Next, normal side heading, you have to write the, open the bracket, the perpendicular line drawn from the point of incidence to the plane of reflecting surface is called normal. The next, angle of incidence, that side heading you have to write. This is next page number 7. The angle formed between the incident ray PO and the normal ON is angle of incidence, close the bracket. This 4 side headings you have to write and write. What is that? Incident ray, reflected ray, normal and angle of incidence. All these 4 side headings you have to write and write that. Okay. Then last question is, compare the images formed by plane mirror with that of pinhole camera. Page number 17. Okay. Question is 8th question. Page number 17, you can see this book itself. Mali first year ku parunga oru tabla column adla irukka and the box na, that full you have to write. You have to write the side heading, difference between the images formed in a pinhole camera and the plane mirror. You have to write the side heading and you have to write this 4 points. Okay, difference you have to write. So with this we are finishing this lesson children. So total how many? 24 question answers. In that some of the questions we have omitted and same way detail also we have finished. So with this we are finishing the annual portions also children. So you have to learn, okay, take down in your classwork or all the lessons, all the question answers what and all I gave. It will be easy for you to learn for exam children. So with this we finish this annual portions. Thank you children.